What if every puzzle on Reddit could become part of a living world? Introducing Mirror Dungeon, a community-driven adventure built exclusively for Reddit using Devvit and Phaser. Players restore ancient chambers by routing beams of light through mirrors, competing in endless expeditions and global daily trials for the fastest times. But Mirror Dungeon is much more than a puzzle game. Every player can become a chamber architect, designing their own handcrafted challenges that are automatically verified before being published directly to Reddit. Each chamber develops its own history with community ratings, leaderboards, champions, journals, reputation, and Hall of Fame recognition, transforming every level into a living artifact created by the community. Using Devvit, Redis, and Phaser, we build deterministic gameplay, daily seeded challenges, procedural audio, dynamic particle effects, and responsive experiences across desktop and mobile. Mirror Dungeon isn't just about solving puzzles. It's about creating them, sharing them, competing together, and building a dungeon that grows with the Reddit community, one chamber at a time.